Go to Chrome. Here you should type OBS Studio. Next you will get this window. Here click on the OBS Studio, which is given by the obsproject.com. After clicking the OBS Studio, you will get new window. Here OBS Studio is available for 3 different types of OS, that is Windows, Mac and Linux. Here we are installing for Windows, so click on Windows. It start downloading. After downloading, double click on the file. You will get this window. Now click on next. Here also click on next. Click on install. It start installing. You should wait a few minutes to install all files. Now click on finish button. Now OBS Studio is ready for use. This is the starting window of OBS Studio. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe, like, share and comment.